Hello everyone. Why DeepSeek is better? DeepSeek leads in AI innovation with state-of-the-art models excelling in reasoning, coding, and multilingual tasks, while optimizing computational efficiency. Cost-effective solutions like open-source frameworks and affordable APIs democratize access for startup and enterprise alike. Versatile multimodal capabilities span text, code, images, and audio, powering industries from healthcare to finance. Architectural breakthroughs such as MO models enable scalable, specialized AI unmatched in flexibility, ethical rigor, and real-world impact, ensure safe their deployments, driving transformative outcomes globally.